Hi, today we'll talk about information request form. This is nothing but a simple form which can track all the information requests that are coming from customers. So it has fields like first name, last name, email, phone number, request, what their information, what they're trying to take the request for, and any additional information that they would need. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the share form, click on copy form link, and once you open this link in a new tab, you will see that the form will show up on your screen, and you can start filling out the form. So you can simply take help of this particular link and put it anywhere on your website or any place where you want to track the information requests coming up. So I'll quickly go ahead and fill out some of the details over here just to see how it works. Okay, so I'll just fill out some of the records, and I'll put some random information over here for our use case. So this is, let's say, coaching, not applicable. So I just filled out some random records and I'll click on submit. As I do that, my response gets submitted, and you can see in the responses section over here on the right side, you can find the response getting captured over here. So as your customer starts to fill out this particular form that you share with the link, the responses will be captured over here, and you can keep track of everything in one place. So besides this, I also want to tell you about another tool, that is PDF output, which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk, and that uses a Google document as a template, and it works with Google Sheet as well as Notion database. So in Google Sheet, you can store the data or Notion database which you want to replace on the Google document, and you can start generating PDF documents in bulk. This is very handy for generating invoices or any sort of document that you want to generate. You need to simply edit the document in Google Docs, and you can link it up with Google Sheet or Notion database, and then you can generate the documents in bulk. I've added a demonstration video for how it works with Notion as well as Sheets. You can check out those videos for a use case. And if you have any questions other than this, please reach out to me at notion for my use at the rate gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day.